So today I wanted to show you a follow-up activity to sewing a button. In a previous video, I showed you the activity for about a 3.5-year-old on sewing buttons, which is really a wonderful activity towards independence. It's wonderful to be able to repair one's clothing and to be able to sew a button. So here we have our little cloths with some buttons that were sewn in the previous activity, and so today I'm going to show the child how to remove the buttons so that we can do this activity over again. And so the only piece of equipment that we need today is this. It's called a seam ripper. And we have a word of precaution because it is kind of sharp. And again, as all activities, once I start showing them, I am going to slow my movements and omit words. So this is removing buttons with a seam ripper. And then I would invite the child to maybe try this one. This is a smaller button. As we remember, we can have more challenging button sewing, and this was a smaller one. And because of this, the refinement of this is wonderful fine motor dexterity, and also on the road of independence. I just do have really cautionary words about these type of material because they are somewhat sharp. So if you see any misuse of it, take this material away. There is no reason to keep something out that you're feeling that the child is not quite ready for. So just have those words of caution. Removing buttons for a 3.5-year-old.